3. This is our lesson 10 of reading. Thank you very much for being good children since we started this program of e-learning at our school. You're doing great. Keep it up. Let us now go to our lesson for today, and that is lesson 10, and it is just about a rhyme. It is just about a rhyme and reading it and answering the questions. Are we there, children? Good. So, my work today, I'm going to read to you my rhyme. After I give you one example of the questions, how to write it, then others you do by yourself. Are we there? Good. So, our rhyme is like this. The instructions first. Read the rhyme carefully and answer questions that follow in full sentences. Remember, we are still about living things, children. One thing which is common about birds, they have a very light body covered with feathers all over, having 2 wings which enable them to fly and fly. They fly for fun, they fly to look for food, they fly to look for friends, they fly to look for water, flying every time and everywhere. Have you heard my rhyme? I repeat. One thing which is common about birds. They are talking about birds, remember. And I told you the other time that a bird is just a creature that is covered with feathers, has 2 wings and 2 legs. So this rhyme is about the birds. One thing which is common about birds, they have a very light body covered with feathers all over, having 2 wings which enable them to fly and fly. They fly for fun, they fly to look for water, to look for friends, they fly to look for friends, food, flying every time and everywhere. Activity. They're saying, what makes birds to fly? According to the rhyme, what makes birds to fly? Make sure you write in a full sentence because they are saying what? What makes birds fly? You come here and refer yourself to the rhyme. What makes birds fly? Let me repeat, then you see. One thing which is common about birds, they have a very light body covered with feathers all over, having 2 wings which enable them to fly and fly. Now what makes them to fly? You come and say wings, wings. We shall not say wings makes. Are we together? We shall not say wings makes. Reason being here, they are saying what makes birds to fly. And here you're starting in plural. Wings. 1 wing, 2 wings. So you will change and you say wings make birds to fly. Are we together? Wings make birds to fly. Next question. Next question. How many wings does a bird have? How many wings does a bird have? Are they 7? Because here they say how many? Let me write it down. How many? How many wings? How many wings does a bird? How many wings does a bird have? A question mark, meaning you're supposed to write also in a full sentence. So here, the answer is 2, isn't it? Like this. But in English reading, instead of this figure here, you change it to words. You change it to words. So here they're saying, how many wings does a bird have? Don't say 2 wings because I've told you that writing words, you say 2 wings. You are wrong. You are wrong. Write in a full sentence. Say that a bird has 2 wings. Are we there? A bird has 2 wings. How many wings does a bird have? A bird has 2 wings. Don't select 2 wings only. Write in full sentences. I gave you the words which require you to write in full sentences. Next number does 10. Give 3 reasons why birds fly. Give 3 reasons. There you just simply give the answers. Don't again write in full sentences. Children, here comes the end of our 10th lesson of reading. See you in 11th lesson. Thank you very much. I love you.